Welcome to Isa Vlog.
A few moments later.
Hello guys, magandang buhay. Ayan nga pala, natapos na namin ang aming inayos. Siyempre, tumulong tayo sa isang kaibigan na ang anak ay magbibigay. So ayan guys, natapos na namin. Siyempre, bibidyohan ko na. Ayan guys, so first time ko mag-ayos yung ribbon. Okay lang kasi natapos din namin. Tumulong lang din ako. Ayan guys, yung nag-birthday. Ito, birthday. So ayan guys, unti na lang yung binidyo ko kasi I'm so busy din po. So, syempre, tulong-tulong tayo. Syempre nga ugaling Pilipino tulong. Ayan guys, syempre nagselfie din ako na mag-video. Ayan guys, tinulungan ko siya na magpalit ng damit. Syempre ako yung nakatuwa sa pagpapalit ng damit na tumutulungan ko siya.
Gusto mo mamaya?
Guys, ayan siya si May ng 18th birthday. At yan guys, nagsasayaw sila. Bali, isang kaibigan din nila na nagsasayaw. Bali, 18 roses. Yan, 18 roses. So, salamat guys sa inyong panonood ng always sa aking YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Magandang buhay. More video guys. Thank you. God bless you all. Maraming salamat.
Please have all our 6 billion people have a better weather than we have.
Really means to me, and how much you all have made impact to who I am today. My invitation out to you and to your families, I think that symbolizes how much you guys really mean to me, and how much you all have made impact to who I am today, whether it may be from intermediate, like uni, work, YC, and even way before that, or yeah. And I just want to say thank you so much for honestly being here on this special day. Making me feel as if like I'm actually like a woman now. Woohoo, amigo! Great, yeah, I just want to thank to my cotillion, thank you so much for me. Thank you to my treasurers, thank you so much for all the ways of gifts, appreciate it, and I will deeply bring it to my soul and inspiration as well. For my candles, my ladies, thank you so much. Design this whole entire venue and change it into just plain brown to like different colors. I'd like to thank my DJ. Thank you so much for doing the music. You're amazing. Thank you so much. I'm so sorry for the stress I put into you. I'd like to thank my photographer and my videographer because you made me look 10 times. Thank you. And yes, thank you to my family, for my parents. They really wanted me to start this planning a few, like 2 years ago, but I was like, it's okay, we'll just wait. But and now we struggled up until now. So yeah, and thank you honestly to everyone once again for coming. And honestly, I wish I could. Can we take a photo, all of us?